in this portion of the video, I'm going to show you how to swap out the drums so that you can do sink applications or lavatories or showers and whatnot. So the first thing that we need to do here is go ahead and undo these thumb screws. Make sure that your adjustment knob is backed out a really good ways. And we're going to slide that off of the cable. I'm going to go ahead and remove this one so that this hasp here can come off of the front of the drum. So I'll grab that right from the handle, pull that forward, and I'm just going to set that aside for now. We will grab our sink drum, which has the same fitting on the back, and I'm going to go ahead and slide that onto the transmission of the machine and just slightly turn that a little bit until it locks in place. You can tell it locks in place because it'll line up with the hasp. Okay? So once you're ready to go, and this is a little far, we're going to go into this drain here, so we're going to move this forward a little bit. Okay? I'm going to put my safety glasses on and my gloves, and then we'll be ready to go. Once again, you make sure that your work area is clear and free and safe, and make sure your foot switch is in a good position for you to work. We're going to put this in forward. I'm going to pull some cable out, put it in the drain first, and now I'm going to turn the machine on and operate the machine. See, so right there you felt some resistance. It's not going to have the same noise or effect that you would get with the larger drum, obviously, because the cable's a lot smaller here. So, you know, you have to listen a little more and pay attention to what's going on and be more in tune, because slight differences in motor tone will tell you that you're either stuck or cleaning through something or something to that effect. Like right there. Okay, as long as you keep it spinning, it'll be okay. So now we've cleaned the obstruction, as an example, and right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and retract the cable. Make sure your machine stays in forward. You do not want to run any of these machines backwards, because you can open the spiral of the cable up and snap the cable.